Hey guys, welcome back to LS Techs. Today I've got another amazing product. This is a 3-in-1 device. So it's a multi-function Apple charging dock. So this one goes for just under £40 on Amazon, guys. So I'm going to leave a link in the description if you do want to check it out. But before I begin with the video, I just want to announce the winner of the last giveaway I did 2 weeks ago. His name is going to be displayed here. So if you want, make sure you do reply to my email, or I'm going to message you via YouTube so you reply back. But yeah, I'm going to do another giveaway this week again. This week I'm going to give away this portable charging dock station. So make sure you subscribe, leave a like and share the video. But yeah, let's begin with the video, guys. So this is the box itself. We've got a picture of the dock itself. It comes in just this black color. It's very sad, doesn't come in a few different colors, but it's a 3-in-1 device, so you can charge your iPhone, your Apple Watch and your AirPod at the same time. So that is really nice. On the back we've got some more specs. The wireless charging is at 7.5 watts. It's going to give you pretty fast charging speed, so that's nice. But it should work with most phones here. You got iOS and Android as well, but it will work with all Apple Watches and AirPods. So let's begin with unboxing. So let's take the packaging out, and so we've got a thank you message from the company and a quick user manual, just how to do all of the cabling and stuff like that. It's very nice. Inside you've got a few cables here. So we've got a USB to micro B, hopefully for charging dock itself. You get a lightning cable as well, so that is very nice. You don't need to get one of those. And you've got the dock itself. So it looks like you need to... So this is the dock itself, as you can see. No Apple Watch charger was included, so we need to get a hold of that yourself. But it's aluminium stand, as you can see. It's got this chamfered edges everywhere around, so it looks very premium, as you can see, guys. That is so nice, I have to say that. And literally this is proper strong. So this is the charging dock itself. So you've got Q-enable wireless charging here, a place for your AirPods and your Apple Watch there, so that's very nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly set this up, connect all the cables. Shouldn't be something difficult. As you can see, the wireless charging will go through here. You've got 2 cables in here, and you've got a little airway, a little way to do the cable managing, so that's very nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect the cables and see how well this works, guys. Give me 2 seconds, I'll be back. So yeah, guys, I have set it up now, as you can see. I've got 2 cables hanging from the back. One is for the wireless charging and one is for the pad itself and the Apple Watch. If I had a 3rd cable, there'll be another cable hanging around, which is a bit downside. I don't really like all the cables. As you can see, I've got 2 cables, so we're making a mess. But much nicer to see like some sort of box below or easier way to do the cable management. But yeah, let's see how well this works. So let me turn it on. So it's on. Should be able to put my phone there, and it's charging, and that will go for the Apple Watch itself. I'm going to take it out and place that below. As you can see, that's charging now as well. So if I flip it so you can see it better, both are charging. You see on the Apple Watch, it's charging, so that's really nice. And this will work with most Q-enable phones, so it's not sliding off as much. You've got the rubber padding at the bottom, as you can see. It's a very nice feature to have that, so it's going to make sure it charges no matter what. So that's really nice. And yeah, the design overall, it's nice and premium. I'm going to say that there's no compromise with the design here. You've got this strong aluminium build here. You've got nice soft padding here. You've got this silicone thing here, so your phone is not going to rub off anything like that. The cutout for the Apple Watch is nice and strong. It's not loose. I've seen with other dogs where this will be very loose, but as you can see, it's nice and tight in there. Overall, I'm very happy with the device. Yes, the cable management is down here. I'm not very happy with having so many cables sticking out from the back, but yeah, that's the only thing we can do. So you just have to have 3 cables hanging around, and you just want to do some sort of cable management. But yeah, the dock itself, it's very unique. You're just gonna have this next to your bed or your office, your computer. Whenever you need to use it, you would just come on, put your phone on, and it's gonna charge. Same as for the same with Apple Watch. Very nice of that. It's very nice feature to have this. And you've got this phone floating feature that's very nice. If you had the AirPods, it would just go in here, and simple as that. Overall, for the price of £38, it does seem very expensive, but I think the price is just gone to the design and just having all of this together, because if you're going to be getting Apple Watch dock itself, that's going to be 10, iPhone 10 and so on. So yeah, you get all this in all one package. Very nice. The build quality, it's amazing. You can just see it's so strong. You've got the rubber feet. It's just well built, and the Stanford edges here are just amazing. I would have liked to see it in different colors, maybe a space gray or rose gold color, but it only comes in this black version of now. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm going to be keeping this. I'm going to be giving one away of this. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and I'm going to be giving one of these out to one of my subscribers. So that's for my US and UK subscribers, because I need to use Amazon to send this out to you. Only thing you need to do is make sure you subscribe, leave a like, comment on your favorite feature. Make sure to share the video with your friends, guys, and good luck for everyone. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Take care.